So much to see, so much to learn. Boys and girls, it's a great big world.
Come join the fun, hop, skip, and run to Zazu.
Come join us now, many games to play. Ready to begin, it starts with a grin.
Come join the fun, hop, skip, and run to Zazu. We don't look the same, we got different names.
We're the best of friends, fights that never end.
Let's come together, make the world better at Zazu. At Zazu. At Zazu.
I'm just a lonely girl, so sad and blue. I'm just a lonely girl, what can I do? I need to find a job, I need to earn pay. No one is hiring, it's such a sad day. I'm just a lonely girl, so sad and blue. I'm just a lonely girl, what can I do? I'm just a lonely girl, so sad and blue. I'm just a lonely girl, what can I do? I need to find a job, I need to earn pay. No one is hiring, it's such a sad day.
Everything will be okay, little lady.
Who said that?
He did!
And who said that?
I did!
Oh wow. Who are you guys?
Well, my name is Pop Oak. I'm pleased to make your acquaintance. And who might you be?
My name is Sa. Pleased to meet you, Pop Oak. And who's that with you?
Why, this is my son, Earl.
Your son?
Yes, he takes after his mother mostly.
Dad, don't! You're embarrassing me!
So what seems to be getting you down, little lady?
Where do I begin?
Anywhere you start is the beginning.
Earl?
Sorry, Dad.
Go on, Sal.
Life just hasn't turned out the way I thought it would. I did everything I thought I was supposed to do. I got a job, I worked hard, and I climbed all the way to the top. And I gave them everything. And now they've laid me off. They say I'm past my prime. I don't have a purpose now.
Well, that's not true now, is it, Sal? You decide your purpose, not somebody else. And to be quite honest, this is a gift from the universe.
The universe is really bad at giving gifts. Must have been getting tips from Grandma. Sorry, Dad. I'll be quiet now.
You see, Za, this is your chance. Not many people get this opportunity. You can do anything you want. Tell me, Za, what are your dreams?
I don't know. It feels kind of silly.
Nonsense, Za. Nothing is silly if you believe in it.
When I think back to my childhood, there was always one thing that gave me joy. The zoo. I've always wanted to own a zoo. I know, it's stupid. I don't know the first thing about running a zoo. It's probably super hard. Where would you even find one for sale?
Za, remember when I told you the universe had given you a gift? Turn around.
But what if I fail?
Well, Za, if you think about it, you fail at everything you don't try. And don't you worry, Earl and I, we're gonna be here to help you through. You gotta believe in your dreams.
You gotta believe in your dreams to make them come true. For things to happen, it's up to you.
I'm gonna make a plan. I'm gonna fix the cages. I'm gonna find more animals that please all ages. You gotta believe in your dreams to make them come true. And when they happen, the zoo will look like new. We'll paint the walls. We'll cut the grass.
We'll add water in the cages so the animals can splash.
We gotta believe in our dreams to make them come true. And when they happen, the zoo will look like new. We gotta believe in our dreams. Believe in our dreams. And when they do, the zoo will look like new. So much to see, so much to learn. Boys and girls, it's a great big world.
Come join the fun, hop, skip, and run to Zoo.
Come join us now, many games to play. Ready to begin, it starts with a grin.
Come join the fun, hop, skip, and run to Zoo.